Hello, I'm William Talianisich. This is my animal layout project. I went with the Works Every Time layout, and I chose these colors, and I focused on the cat. I don't like cats, but okay. And I focused on his blue eyes, and what I tried to do was I tried to color from there to there and make that pop. The color of the eyes was too dark, so I had to go with a lighter color on my swatches, which is up here somewhere. That's my history. Oh yeah, I deleted it. I moved it so you could see the layers there. Okay, this is my actual Photoshop thing, and the eyes were too dark. I wanted to match. I did a little staircase here, and I had the focus and the half-inch margins, and it fits the parameters of the wording. I went with the half-inch there, half-inch, 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 and I kind of centered that one on the second column. I went with 2 columns, the 2 legs for the symmetry and the shortness. I didn't add any extra information like the directions say. I kept the same font. I went larger. Make a new friend, adopt a pet today, exclamatory with the larger letters, and then the Verdana font for this one. And the border was remarkably easy on this one, considering all the hassle I had with the Layout Sim project. I already forgot it. It's the layer. It doesn't seem to make sense. Layer style. I don't remember it from the project. Whatever. I figured it out, and there it is. And changes I would make to this project is I would include pictures of my dog. He's a rescue. He's a cool dog. He's old. And I would include the information for the local Brownsville Paws. We go there once a week to take our dog and to look at other animals. Our dog he's a cat killer, dog killer. He's not a friendly animal to other pets. So we can't have another dog. I went with these were my sketches. I just kind of moved this one with one picture with the information, and those are going to be the words. And then I turned in a JPG, and then I read the directions, said to turn in a PDF. I had problems with the PDF before, but this PDF turned out to be okay. And there's my 8.5 by 11, 300 pixel PDF. Look at the cute cat. That's about it. Thank you. Leave any comments, any assistance. Have a great day. Thank you.